this video, we're gonna explore how to get the Udemy course for free. That's not from some pirated website. So here we're gonna get it from Udemy website itself. Okay. So firstly, we have this course at $449, right? So now I'm gonna get it at free. So let's see how do we get it. So see, we got it at free. So here we have to update some coupon. So let me just enroll it now. So you'll see that it's free of cost. So totally the original price was $799 and the discount was $799. So totally it's coming for zero cost. So I'll just click enroll now and that's all. We just get it enrolled. So you have it enrolled and you can go and start the course. Okay, so that's how simple it is. So here after completing the course you can get the certificate as well. It's not some pirated thing. So here it's actual Udemy. So you can see here, so I got it completely for free. So after the completion of the course you can get the certificate. So now let's see how did I get this course for free. So firstly I searched for Disk Udemy and then we go to the website of Disk Udemy. So this is the first one. So next click on all coupons. So here you will see the list of courses we have wherein we get for free. So I just clicked on this one, Java fundamental course. So if you click on it, here there is a take course option, click on it and then here you can just click on this link. This is provided here. So here they would apply the coupon and it would get it for free. Now we see that I already purchased this course on November 2nd, that is today only. So let's take example of another course and explain you. So now let me just take a HTML course. Okay. So here also let me just pick a take course. So firstly let's explore the cost of this course. So now I'm here at Udemy website. I just selected this course in Udemy. It will show some cost. So here we see that it's $449. Now if we click on this link it would go to zero. Okay. So it's free of cost. So we just say enroll now. So now see, we get it for free. We just click enroll now and we're all done. We got the course enrolled. So now we can watch it for free and get the certificate once it's done. So you just click on start course and complete the course. After completion of course, you can get the certificate as mentioned here. So get Udemy certificate by completing the entire course. So that's how you can get the Udemy course for free. And this is not all. So there's also some option, like if you don't have the course listed in the Disk Udemy, so what you can do is you can just go to Udemy and let's say we want to take Python course. Let me just type for Python. So if this course is not there in Disk Udemy, what we have to do? So let me just go to here and search for this course in Disk Udemy. Okay, here it's not listed. So in that case, what you have to do, you can just add to this record and buy it. You can watch it for 29 days. So of course you can complete this course in 29 days and 30th day you can just apply for the money back. So here there's a money back option as well. So in that 30 days you can complete the course and get the certificate and still opt for the money back. So Udemy has strict policy and it would definitely give you money back. Okay, it's not that you lose money, you'll get your money back. Okay, so that's one option. And another option we have is free course site. So this is something I don't recommend, but this is also an available option. So here also you can search for the courses and here if you search for the Python course, so here you can download the course here and you can watch it, but it's a pirated, which I don't recommend. Okay, so go with the official one, so wherein you get free for 30 days and if you apply for the money back policy you get the money back. Okay, it's just as simple as that. You don't lose your money. Okay, sure. And one more thing, you can't get the certificate by just downloading this course. So in official website only you can get the certificate. And another option available is you can go to some torrent site and search for this course and you can get the torrent downloaded. So that's also a pirated thing. Here you can see this 2021 Python complete bootcamp. So here you can just click on the course and you can download the torrents. So here also you can get the course for free, but you can't get the certificate. So these are the available methods to get the course for free from Udemy, and use it at your own risk because sometimes there would be viruses and all. So be careful while clicking the links. Okay. So on the side note, the certificate isn't that important. So you should have the proper skills. That's all. So if you showcase your skills properly, then that's enough to get the job. So get ready with some projects for interviews. That would be helpful. So do subscribe to the channel for more such tips and tricks.